Hello everyone, my name is Gu Kai Han. This is the homepage of my website. It has the header and also the body. With header contains the main title, subtitle, and also the navigation bars, which will bring us to the following pages. And it has the body, which contains the Southeast Asia heading. And I've applied animation effects on this Southeast Asia heading, and I like this animation effect. And it will also have the float-in greeting box, which welcome user to my platform, and I can close it whenever I don't need it. And after closing, this is how my homepage will look like. And moving on to the second page, which is the AQI page. It has two sections. The first section is basically telling user what is AQI, what is air quality index. It contains the description of AQI and also the 6 categories of air quality index. And I basically applied the effects on both of this table, and the second table actually telling the AQI, the different AQI ranges and its corresponding category, the health implication, and also the health recommendation. So this page basically contains two tables about AQI. Moving on to the real-time map page, it has the it has one map. It has a map which basically focuses on Southeast Asia region. So let's say I zoom out, you can see that there is no marker in other region. So this map specifically focuses on Southeast Asia region, and also the view is specifically focuses on Southeast Asia regions. And let's say I click on this green marker, Tawau Sabah Malaysia. It has an AQI of 38 and it is in good condition. Let's say I click on another marker, Indonesia, AQI 124, and it is unhealthy for sensitive groups. So whenever I click on this different marker, it will display the AQI information and the condition, the air condition. And different color of marker represent different air condition. For example, green color represent good, yellow color represent moderate, and etc. And let's say if I don't want to use the map, I want to type in the location manually, I can do it also. And for example, I type in Kota Kinabalu. After clicking search, it will show me the location, the air condition, and also the AQI value. I can close it, and let's say I try different location, Philippines, and it will show me the AQI and the air condition for this national high school in Philippines also. So moving on to the final page, which is the pollution overview page. It contains 4 sections. The first section is basically showing the challenges faced by the Southeast Asia countries, and I have grouped all the Southeast Asia countries into one big container, and each inner container, smaller container, storing the information, the description, the flag of each country. So basically, there is two country for one row, with two country for one row, and with Vietnam standing alone on the last row. And moving on to the second section of this page, it contains it's basically showing the common sources of air pollution. It has natural sources and human caused sources. And for both of these sources, it has its own button. And for the button, I have applied some effects also, the hover effects. And I have also applied and put in the emoji beside the wording. And if I click on this button, it will basically display the information, the description of that of that corresponding button. So if I click wildfire, it will display the information of wildfire. And it is the same for human cause sources. If I click on agriculture, it will display the description and information for agriculture. And if I click outside of template, this template will disappear. Moving on to the third section of this page, which is basically displaying the future trends in air pollution. And this section contains the information of future trends, which also have the hover effects whenever I move my mouse, and it will have some shadow also. It contains three future trends, and I have also put in the emoji. While for the last section of this page is the recommendation for mitigating air pollution, and the design is the same. You will have the shadow effect whenever I hover over. And for this section, it contains 5 recommendations. So this is basically how my website looks like, and I hope everyone likes it. Thank you.